For many drivers, trucking is more than just a career. It's a profession that requires a lot of sacrifice, including being away from your home, family, and friends, so it's no surprise that drivers can begin to feel lonely, develop unhealthy habits, and even fall into depression. Marc Anthony is no stranger to trucking, so we talk about his experience.
One thing that you'll face is you'll miss the family if you have one. Another thing is the roads will seem like they're long, especially when you're given the miles that, we're giving you a 2,000 mile trip. And in your mind, you might psychologically be thinking, oh my God, that's 2,000 miles. That's like forever. So there's a bunch of different obstacles when you first come into trucking that will make you feel a certain way and may even force you out and you feel that you can't do it.
But there are ways that you can develop new levels of creativity and fulfillment outside of the cab. But why is it important to find your side hustle? What's the point of adding more things to your plate?
The important thing about finding another source of income is because it's another source of income. If you just rely on one thing and that's it, if that falls apart for whatever reason, now you don't have anything.
Finding your side hustle can be another way for you to make money on top of trucking. But where do I even begin? How would I find that thing that I love to do?
What you want to do when you're out here is, since you have so much time to yourself, when you shut down, you just delivered, if you got a day or so, why aren't you doing something else that might produce another type of income for you? Now, you may be a person who's creative with graphics, on a computer. Maybe you're designing a website for someone. Maybe you're good at fixing cars, so you reached out to a certain mechanic shop and you say, I'm here on these days, do you mind if I give you a hand for me? I was doing the YouTube videos, but after shooting so much, I realized I didn't know how to take pictures. I didn't know how to really do photography like a professional. So I just decided to I buried myself in shooting every day back there. And it's by practicing every day that it has brought me to this level of being a brand ambassador.
Everyone has an interest in something, and more than likely, there's probably a way you can make money off of it. But at the end of the day, it's not all about the money. It's about maintaining your own health and happiness.
Think of whatever it is that you have a big interest in. If you are passionate about something, or maybe there's something that you're interested in and you haven't done it, try watching it on YouTube when you shut down, and then bury yourself into learning about that thing. It doesn't have to necessarily be about money. You may make enough money for yourself, so maybe you just do this for that release, that feeling good about yourself, just to break up the everyday just drive in this truck, because it does and can be boring.